Hello everyone, my name is Bharat, a student of MBA Finance at Chitkara University, Punjab. Today we will learn about the portfolio. The word portfolio came from the Latin word folium, meaning to carry leaves as in papers. Stocks and bond certificates were only issued in paper form, from which this terminology was adopted. A portfolio is a collection of financial investments like stocks, bonds, commodities, cash and cash equivalents, including closed-end funds and exchange-traded funds. People generally believe that stocks, bonds, and cash comprise the core of a portfolio. Though this is often the case, it does not need to be the rule. A portfolio may contain a wide range of assets, including real estate, art, and private investments. Regardless of your portfolio asset mix, all portfolios should contain some degree of diversification and reflect the investor tolerance for the risk, return objective, time horizon, and other patent constraints, including tax position, liquidity needs, legal situations, and unique circumstances. Now, types of portfolios. There can be as many different type of portfolios and portfolio strategies as there are investors and money managers. An aggressive equities focused portfolio. The underlying asset in an aggressive portfolio generally would assume great risk in search of great returns. Aggressive investors seek out companies that are in the early stage of their growth and have a unique value proposition. A defensive, equitized, focused portfolio. A portfolio that is defensive would tend to focus on consumer staples that are impervious to downturns. Defensive stocks do well in bad times as well as in the good times. The next, a hybrid portfolio. The hybrid portfolio approach diversifies across asset classes. Building a hybrid portfolio requires taking positions in stocks as well as bond commodities, real estate, and even art. Thank you.